Right, this is the help session for pretty good level multi-view drawing number 1. For this one, you did need to have 4 blocks already made. I talked about that in the previous video, and you need 1 triangular prism. You also needed to visit our website, which once you get there, riblady.com, you should go to the blog section. And in order to succeed on this, you should find the Understanding Multi-View Drawings pretty good level. And if you click into that, you will be able to see the different design problems. Here we are on drawing number 1. So how are you going to build it? When you are looking at just the front view, that is always step 1. I look at this block and I place one. I go to the next section. I can see that I have another block with 1 on top of it. Then I go over to the next spot and I can see a triangle. Now, why does this look different than this? Well, because I'm not all that crafty with the camera, but if you wanted me to make it look like that, this is what's happening here. Compare this to this, we have the same thing. So this is what a front view looks like, but the actual structure itself would be standing up. So this is what I have right now. So then next, I say, okay, well, what do things look like from the top view, which when you look at this, you're actually seeing the top of it on camera right here. So I have a block. Let's see here, what will I do? There's the top view. I have a block. And if you're looking at the multi-view drawing, you can see that here is my block in the front view. And I slid up to look at, or projected is the name, and now I'm looking at this top view. Well, a block is a block, no matter which angle you look at it from. Next, I'm going to look at this center column, and I can see that I was too high. And that represents, that's shown in this area here. So if you look at this, you really can't see depth, remember? So from the top view, if I'm looking at just this piece right here, all I can see is that I have a square there. But what's new in this section is I can see this piece. And remember, this is the top view. So as you look at this build here, it means I have to place this block right in here. And now I'm going to go over and look at this other column from the front. I could see the shape of a triangle, but when I project up and look at this object from the top, you can see that this shape is a square. We cannot see depth. So I've built the front view. Now I've built the top view. Now for the third step, I have to look at it from this side view. And so I'll rotate this. Actually, you know what? I'm going to hit pause. I'm going to rotate my camera. Right, so here was my front view. I'm going to rotate my model. And now you are looking at a right side view of this model. So here it is. If you look at the printout that you've printed, we see the shape of a square. That is this guy right here. It simply looks like a square. Up in here, we see another square on top. That is this cube. And then in the next column over, you can see that I see the shape of a square. This is the completed model, folks. I'm going to zoom out. And this is what your object should look like when it is complete. Here's your isometric view of pretty good level multi-view drawing number 1. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you appreciate this content, please hit subscribe. Also, don't be afraid to check out our website. We're at riblady.com. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.